Yes, very good morning to all of you. So we have finished the revision of lines and angles yesterday. So today we will start with the revision of integers, right? So as date sheet, it is out. So you should know that you are going to appear in offline mode of exam. So accordingly, you have to prepare yourself, right? So we are doing revision for each and every chapter. So you should do the practice side by side, right? I think इनको याद ही भूल जाता है that last 3 days maths का first period होता है. Gorish, can you do one thing? Just put a message in the maths group. Join your maths class as early as possible. Because I think every week they forget it that last 3 days maths period is there. First period maths. चलिए, let us start with the revision of integers. So we start with the, you can say, set of natural numbers. They are the counting number starting with 1 goes up to 7, right? Then coming to whole number, 0 is included in the set of natural number. When we include 0, it forms the set of whole numbers, right? In the set of natural numbers, when we include 0, it forms a set of whole numbers. Then coming to the next, which we represent on number line by dividing the number line into 2 equal parts. Some numbers, they lies on the right side to 0, and some of the numbers, they lies on the left side to 0. कुछ numbers 0 की right side पे हैं, कुछ left side पे. Those who are on the right side of 0, they are the positive integers. And those who lies left to 0, they are the negative integers. So integers is the set of numbers which include the positive counting numbers along with their negative sign as well as 0. Okay? So when we are representing the numbers on number line like this by integers using the number lines horizontally, then the positive numbers, they are on the right side and negative numbers are on the left side. But you know, some questions we have done, submarine wala question, that and the mineshaft wala question हमने किया था. In those kind of questions, we see that the number line is like this. 0 is here. Positive numbers are above direction, positive integer, and negative integers, they are on the lower direction. Positive integers जो हैं वो upper direction में और negative integers lower direction. When we are representing the numbers in the vertical form, दोनों तरह से याद रखना. In horizontal form, positive integers are on right side, negative are on the left side. ठीक है? And in vertical form, positive integers are above 0 and the negative integers are below 0. Is it okay? So you have to see, if in exam it is like this, you have to see accordingly. You have to tell accordingly. If the direction is horizontal, you will say that the positive integers lies on the right side of 0 and negative integers lie on the left side of the 0. But if the direction is vertical, then you have to tell the answer accordingly, that in vertical direction, positive integer lies above 0 and negative integer lie below 0. Is it okay? Let us do some facts using this number line. First is 0 is neither negative nor positive. 0 ना तो नेगेटिव इंटीजर में काउंट होगा ना ही पॉजिटिव. इट इज न्यूट्रल, राइट? इट रिमेन्स न्यूट्रल. नेक्स्ट, one is the smallest positive integer. Positive integer smallest. 0 is the smallest integer, but sorry, गलत लिख दिया. हाँ, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर में 1 नहीं आएगा. 1 is the smallest positive integer and bigger positive integer doesn't exist. We don't know. It keep on moving, right? कभी खत्म नहीं होगा, right? And -1 is the biggest negative integer. -1 is the biggest negative integer. How it is the biggest negative integer? Because the negative integers, they keep on decreasing. Line जैसे जैसे बढ़ती है, negative integer it keeps on decreasing, कम होता जाता है. तो -1 is the biggest negative integer. Yes, Harmeet Singh, what do you want to ask?
मैम एक बार आप सारे लेसन्स ग्रुप में सेंड कर दोगे जो से आने हैं टर्म 2 में?
बेटे किए तो हुए हैं, मैंने कर दिए हुए हैं. सिलेबस ऑफ पीटी आई थिंक मैंने कर दिया हुआ है. गौरीश मैंने कर दिया है ना सिलेबस एंड. आप एक बार ग्रुप देखो, ग्रुप में ही है. हरमीत सिंह डिलीट नहीं किया हुआ, उसी में है.
ओके मैम.
जो भी चैप्टर डिलीटेड है उसको काट के बाकी सब ग्रुप में डाला हुआ. ठीक है बेटे? सी द ग्रुप केयरफुली, यू विल सी द सिलेबस ऑफ PT1, राइट? चलिए लेट अस स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज 1.1. Exercise 1.1, question number first. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at the different places. There is a number line. One, two, three, four, 5. Numbers are like this on the number line. And on the left side, -1 and -10 are also given. Yes, Parul, what do you want to say? Parul? Why are you raising hand if you don't want to ask something, huh? Just to distract the teacher? Switch on your video, Parul, so that I can see you. Chaliye. So this is a number line which is given to us. At this number line, at the particular places they are mentioned. Here it is Bengaluru. Here it is Ooty. Then here it is Shimla. Here it is Srinagar. And here it is Lal Spati. Lal Spiti. This number line with the different temperature of the different cities being recorded as shown on the number line. So we are having the questions associated with it. First part is observe the number line and write the temperature marked on the places. First of all, let us mark the temperature of the Bengaluru. 21, 20 के बाद how many lines are counted? 21, 22. So this is 22 degrees Celsius. Bengaluru is with 22 degrees Celsius. Then coming to Ooty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14 degrees Celsius. Ooty is recording 14 degrees Celsius. Then coming to Shimla. It is on 5, so 5 degrees Celsius. Shimla is recording 5 degrees Celsius. Right? Then -1, -2. Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is recording -2 degrees Celsius. Then Lal Spati -6, -7, -8. These are the temperature of the different places as shown on the number line. जो number line पे हमारे पास शो किया गया है टेम्परेचर की वैल्यू, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली these are the values of the temperature of the places. What is the temperature difference? Second part, this was the first part. Second part is, what is the temperature difference between the coldest and the hottest place? What is the temperature difference between the coldest and the hottest place? Hottest place, you can see the maximum temperature Bengaluru. Difference. And the coldest place is -80. -30 degrees Celsius. You see, here it is 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and here is 30. 30 steps back, you are getting the coldest place. So what is the difference between them is 22 minus of this is the hottest place, this is the coldest place. So difference between the temperature is 30 degree Celsius. Third part. What is the temperature difference between Lahaspati and Srinagar? What is the temperature difference between Lahaspati and Srinagar? You see, temperature of Lahaspati is -8 degrees Celsius and that of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर यहाँ पे है -2. अगर आप लाहस्पति पे आना चाहो शिमला श्रीनगर से तो देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 आपका आंसर होना चाहिए. बड़ा टेम्परेचर हमेशा पहले लिखेंगे डिफरेंस में. सो यहाँ पे -2 and this is -8. To find the difference, -2 will be written first. So you will write -2 minus ये हो गया हमारा श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर माइनस लाहस्पति का टेम्परेचर -8. श्रीनगर लाहस्पति एंड डिफरेंस बीच में हमने माइनस डाल दिया. Now this is -2 minus +8. This becomes 6 degrees Celsius. Temperature difference between Srinagar and Lahaspati. आंसर एक बार वेरीफाई करके देख लिया करो. आप उतने प्लेसेस इस पे चलना शुरू करो. कितने वहां श्रीनगर से लाहस्पति तक आने में आपको कितना चलना पड़ा, कितने पॉइंट आपने मूव किए? 6 पॉइंट मूव किए. तो इसका मतलब टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस विल बी 6 डिग्री सेल्सियस. राइट. डी पार्ट. लुक एट द डी पार्ट. Can you say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Srinagar and Shimla. Shimla plus Srinagar add करके देखते हैं. 5 plus -2 plus minus. This is 3 degrees Celsius. When we are collectively taking the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar, and on the other hand, the temperature of Shimla itself. What is the relation between these two? When we are taking the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar together, that temperature is lesser than the temperature of Shimla. So temperature of Shimla and Srinagar taken together is less than that of the temperature of Shimla. ठीक होगी बात? चलिए. Come to second question. Question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. Positive marks for correct and negative marks for incorrect. Positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. फाइव टेस्ट के जो हमारे पास स्कोर हैं, दे आर गिवन टू बी 25 -5 -10 15 and 10. These are the marks scored in the 5 different tests. We want to find the total score. टोटल स्कोर इज इक्वल टू, सबके बीच में प्लस का साइन डाल दो. जब दो साइन इकट्ठे हो जाए देन यू हैव टू पुट ब्रैकेट. जब दोनों साइन इकट्ठे हो जाएं देन यू हैव टू पुट द ब्रैकेट, प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस, ब्रैकेट्स खोलनी आती है सबको, प्लस माइनस माइनस, माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, प्लस 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 एंड माइनस माइनस इज प्लस। जब सेम फैमिली के बंदे होते हैं तो आंसर पॉजिटिव, प्लस प्लस दे आर ऑफ सेम फैमिली, आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव, minus minus they are of the same family, answer will be positive. When one person is from one family and another is from another family, then answer will be negative, plus minus minus, minus plus minus. I told you earlier, whenever you are solving this series of the numbers, just remember that take the two which are on the front. For example, I will firstly solve these two, plus minus minus, 25 minus 5, 20. Minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Then 20 minus 10. This is 10 plus 15 plus 10. ठीक है, अब इन दोनों को कंबाइन करो, 25 plus 10. First of all, signs will be match up, plus minus minus. Whatever the matching of sign will indicate, we'll do that. Sign matching of sign indicates us that we have to subtract. So I'm subtracting 20 minus 5, it is 20. And आपको पता है घर में बड़े बंदे की बात, बड़े लोगों की बात मानते हैं, उसी तरह से मैथ्स में बड़े नंबर का साइन होता है. 25 इज बिगर, साइन इज ऑफ प्लस. ठीक है, प्लस का साइन स्टार्टिंग में लिखते नहीं है. तो 20 minus 10 अगेन 10, 10 plus 15 एंड अकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है, इज इट ओके? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Yes, Savya, what do you want to ask?
आपने थर्ड क्वेश्चन कराया ही नहीं.
Third question, चलो करवा देते हैं.
देखो
Let us start with question number 3. See question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. On Monday, temperature of Srinagar as recorded was minus 5 degrees Celsius. Monday जब टेम्परेचर रिकॉर्ड किया गया श्रीनगर में तो इट वॉज minus 5 degrees Celsius. Then it is dropped 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Tuesday it is dropped 2 degrees Celsius, यानी कि 2 degrees Celsius कम हो गया. So you will write temperature on Tuesday. This was on Monday. कितना ड्रॉप मीन्स माइनस होना, कम होना, -2. This was on Tuesday, Monday, and on Tuesday it was dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. So I'm doing -2. Match up the sign, minus minus plus. So it indicates we have to add. So I'm adding. But which one is bigger? 5 is bigger. Sign is of minus. Temperature on Tuesday is -7 degrees Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday is equal to -7 degrees Celsius. Next देखो. On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Wednesday को टेम्परेचर जो है वो 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस बढ़ गया. तो जो भी ट्यूसडे का टेम्परेचर आया उसमें 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस ऐड हो जाएगा. सो टेम्परेचर ऑन वेडनेसडे, temperature temperature on Wednesday 4 degrees Celsius added. Match up the sign. Plus minus minus 7 minus 4 3. Bigger is 7. Sign is of minus. Sign हमेशा बड़े नंबर का लास्ट में लिखते हैं. Right? Yes, Karthik.
यस मैम, am I audible?
Yes, बेटे बोलो.
यस मैम. मैम जो आपने ये स्टेटमेंट लिखी है टेम्परेचर ऑन ट्यूसडे वाली, मैम इसमें हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप्ड ऑन ट्यूसडे दैट इज इक्वल टू -5.
This is actually temperature dropped was 2 degrees Celsius. We want to say that
Yes.
we want to see that temperature on Tuesday. तो उसको माइनस करके लिखेंगे. तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं drop in temperature is equal to equal to 2 degrees Celsius. That's why I'm subtracting minus. ठीक है?
थैंक यू मैम.
Question number 4. Fourth question. Plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. Sea level से 5,000 की, मान लो हमने इसको यहाँ पे O पॉइंट लेके इसको हमने सी लेवल से 5,000 मीटर की हाइट पे an aeroplane is flying. ठीक है? 5,000 मीटर above the sea level an aeroplane is flying. meter above the sea level, the aeroplane is flying. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine, which is floating 1,200 meter below the sea level. एक सबमरीन है जो कि सी लेवल के नीचे 1,200 meter below a submarine is there. सबमरीन जिसको कि हम हिंदी में कहते हैं पनडुब्बी, पानी में जो फ्लोट करती है. ठीक है? So what he says what is the vertical distance between them? What is the vertical distance between them? Vertical distance between plane and submarine. I told you when the line is in the vertical direction, above distance is positive and distance which is in the below direction is negative. Vertical direction में positive integers ऊपर होंगे और negative integers नीचे होंगे. ये हमने किया, right? तो इसका मतलब ये distance अगर हम पूरा देखना चाहें तो एक तो 5,000 distance ये वाला है और दूसरा डिस्टेंस नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में है तो मैंने माइनस लिया. एंड मोर ओवर एज 1,200 मीटर इज बिलो द सी लेवल, बिलो द लाइन, वर्टिकल लाइन, सो इट विल बी -1,200. दिस इज फॉर द डायरेक्शन एंड दिस माइनस इज बिकॉज द पॉइंट इज ऑन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सो दिस विल बी 6,200 meters. Yes, Akshaman, what do you want to ask?
Yes, ma'am. मैम जो वो अपने माइनस का पॉइंट, माइनस का साइन लिया बीच में, मैम वो डिफरेंस वर्ड लिखा प्रॉब्लम सब में इस पे लिया है या फिर ऑपोजिट साइड पे है माइनस?
बेटे जब हम डिस्टेंस काउंट कर रहे हैं, ये पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में डिस्टेंस है, टोटल
Yes,
डिस्टेंस काउंट करना है ना, तो ये उधर को चले फिर वापस आए, जब वापस आते हैं नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में आते हैं तो माइनस का साइन आता है,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है। और ये जो डिस्टेंस है दिस इज डाउनवर्ड, सो इट विल बी
Minus.
-1200, राइट,
Yes.
minus minus become plus, it is 62.
Okay, ma'am.
It's all about with today's lecture. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, take care.
Excuse me, ma'am.